how to fix AniWatch Subtitles not working. So if you want to fix your AniWatch Subtitles not working, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply go with AniWatch on your browser. And once you're on your AniWatch, now if you want to fix your subtitles not working, then you just need simply go with the top right of your browser, which has that three dots. And then you will have the history option, click on history, and under history, again click on history. Now once you're here, you need to go with the left side, which has delete browsing data. And then click on browsing history, cookies and other site data, cache images and files. And after that, click on delete data, which will be on the right side. You can also select last 15 minutes or last hour or last 24 hours or all time. After that, go with delete data. Now once you've deleted all of your browsing data or browsing history, you can just simply go back and restart your device. Go with the power button and then click on restart. And after restarting, it will fix your AniWatch Subtitles not working problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.